There's Hermes. Last day before cold weather is supposed to hit us. Hermes is stalking the mouse in the mouse house. Isn't that cute? Used to be a birdhouse, but it never stayed up in the trees. It is now officially the little critter house in the little area out front. But there's no birds. That's why I'm filming, actually. It's really odd. We've had a few days of really nice warm weather, but no birds. I mean, I put birdseed out, and the deer come later on. Nothing is full. We've had 2 pheasants come. That's it. And mice and ravens. That's it. But that's nothing. That's nothing. Weird.